All right, I just had to do a video on this because it's really hard to show it with pictures, and it is very, very nice. So you can get a better look at the keys are just beautiful, and being all clear, you can adjust it any way you want to adjust it. It's really nice, and it's got a you can also have the nub will sit there. Right now the nub's in that, so that's doing the 2.4 gigahertz wireless. Has a stand as well on that, and it's very cool. It lights up on the sides. It is so nice. So anyway, I just want to do a little video on it. It works great too, by the way. I mean, it's very responsive, and it feels good too. It feels really good to type on. It's very like really good quality. Absolutely no cons. It's really nice.